Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a real treat for you. We're diving into an article from TechCrunch titled Age of AI, Everything You Need to Know About Artificial Intelligence. It's a fascinating read, so let's break it down. So, what is AI? Also known as machine learning, AI is a software system based on neural networks. These systems enable things like effective voice and image recognition and have even made it possible for AIs to surf the web, book tickets, or adjust recipes. Hold up. Do we need to worry about a Matrix-style robot uprising? Nah, the article reassures us we don't. Though AI is getting increasingly sophisticated, it's still closer to calculators than brains. A helpful metaphor is artificial coconut. It's an imitation of intelligence. Now, let's tackle some AI jargon. We have neural networks, which attempt to recreate our brain's interconnected cells. Then there are models, the actual collection of code that takes inputs and returns outputs. Training is the process of exposing these networks to lots of information to create an AI model. Once trained, the model carries out its duties, a phase known as inference. And generative AI? That's an AI model creating something original like text or images. But remember, original doesn't always mean accurate. 2023 has given us a few fresh terms. Large language models, or LLMs, are the most influential form of AI today, able to chat, answer questions, and even imitate writing styles. These models, however, can occasionally hallucinate or generate output based on insufficient or conflicting data. Then we have foundation models. These are trained from scratch and can be trimmed down to smaller, more specific uses through a process called fine-tuning. And don't forget diffusion, a key technique in image generation that works by gradually adding detail to pure noise. A term that often stirs up controversy is AGI, or artificial general intelligence. That's the idea of an AI that can learn and improve itself like humans do. But according to TechCrunch, we are far from achieving AGI. The article also highlights some key players in the AI space. First, we have OpenAI, once an open-source research org that has now transitioned into a more traditional for-profit company. Then there's Microsoft and Google, both heavyweights in the tech world with their share of contributions to AI. Microsoft's partnership with OpenAI is one to note, while Google has pledged to align itself firmly behind AI. We can't forget Anthropic, started by the Amadei siblings, intending to fill OpenAI's initial role of open and ethical AI research. And of course, Stability, controversial for making generative AI models freely available, raising ethical questions. And who can overlook Elon Musk, the billionaire who's been vocal about his AI concerns? He's stirring the pot and even working on his own research outfit. AI is already here, influencing many aspects of our lives and raising important questions about job displacement, the spread of misinformation, and other consequential issues. It's not about fearing a super-intelligent robot apocalypse, but about responsibly navigating AI's implications on society. It's crucial that we find a balance, ensuring that AI benefits everyone and doesn't further marginalize underrepresented groups. TechCrunch stresses the importance of regulations in this field. Right now, the AI industry is a bit like the Wild West, with companies racing to push the boundaries. However, it's not about stifling innovation, but providing ethical guardrails to ensure fair and responsible use of AI. Another important topic is the issue of bias in AI. Our AI is only as good as the data it's fed, and if that data reflects societal biases, then so will the AI. It's critical to have diverse teams behind AI to challenge these biases and build a more inclusive AI environment. The question of AI transparency is a hot one. Some fear that if AI models are made freely available, they could be misused for harmful purposes. However, others argue that secrecy prevents proper oversight and hampers AI's potential benefits. It's a challenging conundrum and one we need to resolve carefully. The article also emphasizes the importance of education in AI. It's not just about training future AI researchers, but also about educating the public about what AI is and isn't. Misinformation about AI is abundant, and it's time we address it head-on. One thing is clear: The age of AI has begun. While it's ushered in some incredible advancements, we can't lose sight of the ethical, societal, and regulatory implications that come with it. That wraps up our summary of TechCrunch's Age of AI article. If you want to dive deeper, we highly recommend giving it a read.